What is it?
Your father's dead.
You all are here because you think this was a good man, but he wasn't. Just because you stopped drinking, call yourself Christian, get a new life, start a new family, that doesn't make you a different man. This is the same man that ran out on us. He made like we were never born. And that's what he's answering for today. You raised us to hate those boys, and now it's come to this. I said some things.
You think that was wise?
Doesn't matter.
For too long, somebody's liable to get hurt, and it might be one of yours.
If anything happens to one of my brothers, I'll come after all of you.